Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Flipkart and confirming you have the gift card code visible. This saves time at checkout. Once done, add the items you want, check seller ratings and the delivery PIN code so the order is valid. Make sure your account has no pending verifications and decide whether you'll use the app or the website. Both work, but the interface differs slightly, so choose what's fastest for you. At checkout, review the order summary and delivery details, then tap Payment and look for gift card or coupon options. You type the code exactly, character for character, because spaces or case errors cause rejection. If the gift card amount is less than the order value, Flipkart lets you split payment, so select a secondary payment method to cover the remainder. Also, make sure any promotional coupon is compatible, because some offers cannot be combined with gift cards. Before you place the order, confirm the final payable amount shows the gift card deduction. This prevents surprises. After placing the order, save the order ID and payment receipt. Flipkart also emails a confirmation which you should keep for reference. If the code fails, first clear app cache or refresh the web page, re-enter the code, and retry. If it still fails, contact Flipkart support with the gift card number and order snapshot so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.